Feature-based licensing allows you to deploy one build of your application with the flexibility to enable functionality based on the license you issue. In this video, I will be using the simple TextEditor self-signed trial sample project from Protection Plus 5 SDK.NET Edition to demonstrate feature-based licensing using a custom parameter set. When I run the sample, it will automatically start up as a 30-day trial. The features being licensed are the menu and text editor options within the application, and they are configured to all be enabled during the trial period. In your own application, you could choose to limit what features are enabled when the trial is running, or you could choose to not have a trial at all. Once the trial has expired, the customer will have to activate with a valid license to continue using the application. Normally, a customer would purchase a license, but in this case, I'll manually generate a test license in our central license server, Solo Server Automation. After logging into our pre-configured Solo Server Test Author account, I can use the menu Customers, Add a Test License, and then choose Simple Text Editor Sample Full License from the list of products. It will default to the pre-configured settings, which I can optionally adjust before creating the license. This includes the custom parameter set, and all options except print, find, and find and replace are enabled. When configuring your own custom parameters, you can have Boolean, date, integer, float, and string fields. I'll create the license and then click into the full license details. It will show the unique license ID and activation password, which are the credentials used in the activation process. It also displays the list of custom parameters. Going back to the application, I will choose the online activation option and enter the license ID and activation password. The activation will be processed by Solo Server, which will result in an encrypted local license file that contains the custom data. In the license dialog, we see the updated status and that the print, find, and find and replace menu options are disabled. As you can see, the functionality of the features have been disabled within the application. It is also easy to update the custom data of a license, which allows you to sell additional features or upgrades to your customers. Back in Solo Server, I can edit the license, enable all features, and submit the changes. These changes won't take effect locally until your application performs a license refresh with the server. You can configure your application to automatically refresh with the server every X number of days, and you can also give the customer the option to initiate a refresh. In the sample application, I'll simply click the refresh option, and it immediately pulls the new license file from the server with the latest data. The status is updated, and the customer now has access to all features. For more details and instructions on testing the simple text editor sample project yourself, see our written topic in the Protection Plus 5 SDK manual. As you can see, feature-based licensing is simple and flexible with Protection Plus 5 SDK and Solo Server Automation, and can easily be implemented into your own applications.